was endlessly sublime, and so long ago to love, my heart sent out a cry. I cast a spell to 808 and didn't understand why. For 10 long years I had to wait, but you showed up just in time. In silent space, this story told. Sometimes from darkness, light unfolds. A mystery hides in every face. The moonlight dances with the waves. It sings a song called 808 to soothe the aching heart and wait. I'll find my love at 808. I'll find my love at 808. I felt my first and final breath, the beginning enclosed in the end. Then the wind whispered your name. I knew my wait was not in vain. 808 is a cosmic law. Whatever leaves us must return. I never knew what its magic was until I heard your voice, your SOS. Then I felt my cry reverberate, and I understood why 808, my SOS, was mirrored in reverse. At 808 our echoes merge in silent space. This story told. Sometimes from darkness, light unfolds. A mystery hides in every face. The moonlight dances with the waves. It sings a song called 808 to soothe the aching heart and wait. My love returned at 808. Our love returned at 808. Two hearts sent out a cry to love, begging to at last be heard by the one who'd guide them home, back to themselves, back to their soul. Now I see why the poets say lovers don't just meet someday. They are in each other all along. In two hearts plays a single song. In silent space, this story told.